Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab M34 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select or create a chat. Now tap on this little icon of a plus at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, click on Files section. Then you need to tap on Audio at the top. Or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources, like Gallery or Audio section. Wherever you decided, when you're done, hold your file and click on Select at the top right corner to add it. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully attached. If you want to add a video one, click on Gallery section instead. Tap on your video right away if it's a recent one, and select one of those options, Google Photos link or video. Wherever you decided, when you're done, click on Add at the bottom right corner. You can also tap on Folders and look for your video file the same way as an audio one. When you locate it, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner. Then pick one of those options and this time select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!